the market. But Mansi, today is a day of red. Nifty comfortably in that territory after we have seen 25,000 mark being sustained at least earlier this week.
That's right, Ankur. The markets are in a weekend mode, you can say, because after around 6 sessions of positivity, it's today that we see that the market participation is quite less. Lackluster trade on the street, 24,949 levels, around 150 points downtrend on Nifty, as you see. And clearly, we have missed on to those 25,000 levels. And it was this week itself where we did see 25,150 levels as well. But then we are losing and surrendering to all of those gains, and right now trading below 25,000. Broader indices are still outperforming the benchmarks. You see good positivity in the mid cap, at least you'll see stock specific action also in the mid cap category. Not much, but around 60 points of an uptick on the mid cap index, and small cap index also somewhat trying to support. However, it's just the mid cap index which is playing positive at present. The media, pharma are holding on to the gains, but it's just the pharma sector which is giving support to the market at present. And barring pharma, literally all the sectors are on the back foot. And to start with, FMCG and banks, you see banks and financials also tanking down in trade. The automobile pocket, the FMCG, IT sector, which was performing during the week, has taken a back seat today. And if we talk about the major contributors, it's Mahindra and Mahindra, Divi's Laboratories, Sun Pharma, Titan, Maruti. These are the stocks which are ranging in green at present and trying to support the market in the volatile scenario. And on the flip side, it's HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank, ITC, Reliance and Kotak Bank that are the draggers or the laggards in the market. Sectoral approaches, if we see, like I said, it's just the pharma. Barring pharma, everything is in red right now. So market in a lackluster mode and less of market participation as we see, Ankur.
Yes, and to discuss on markets, we have with us Rudramurthy BV, founder and director, Vachna Investments. Mr. Rudramurthy, welcome to ET Now. I want to understand with you the trend now. We are below 25,000 today, but comfortably, at least this week, we have sustained over that level. What is your view on Nifty and Bank Nifty?
Ankur, good afternoon and thanks for having me in the show. See, we have seen such a swift move from 24,350. Nifty went all the way to 25,150. So it is an 800 point kind of an up move in hardly 1 week. And now consolidating and seeing a 125 point kind of a correction is very healthy for the up move. The GST bold moves taken by government is very positive, and for me, yes, market will now consolidate and every dip is a buying opportunity. Not just this GST move, even look at RBI and the rate cuts, what it did in the last meeting, and even this meeting, it is so positive. For me, except the disappointment in geopolitical tension what we have, also the Trump tariff issue, and also result season has been a bit disappointing this quarter for me. So if we see changes in these external factors and we see better earnings in the coming quarter, plus we see more liquidity to come in, I am very sure that this market will meet the all-time highs very soon. But yes, buying every dip is a great strategy right now. Nifty will be relatively more stronger than Bank Nifty, and support now for Nifty will emerge closer to 24,850. That was the low we saw on the 18th August when we saw the gap up move after the GST announcement. So for me, for very short term, 24,850 is a strong support. Buy every dip to those levels. Nifty will outperform Bank Nifty, and in Bank Nifty specifically, PSUs are much better than private bank, and support for Bank Nifty will be at around 54,900, 55,000. Use every dip as buying opportunity and be very sector specific and stock specific in this market.
Great strategy at present, and do watch out for the strategy coming from our market expert, because in this challenging and tricky market, these are the strategies which will save you. Buy on dips should be the strategy, and Nifty, of course, will outperform Bank Nifty is the view coming from Rudra. Good afternoon, Rudra. Yes, your views on the indices, but along with it, what are the stocks on your radar at present?
Mansi, for me, the new age sector is doing fabulous. Look at, even in a bad market, these stocks are outperforming. It's a choice. You want to pick up either Paytm, or you want to go for Zomato, Eternal, or you want to go for Nykaa. They're all doing fabulous for me. This as a sector, this as a theme for me will do very good even from these levels. Yes, I have been recommending Paytm from 850 zone. continuously and it is available in future. Even now at current market price, Paytm looks good for me. But having seen the big move already, I am recommending Nykaa at current levels. Look at Nykaa, buy at current levels and on every dips to 220. Keep a stop loss of 218 and look at targets of 250 and then eventually even 300 to come in a time span of 1 to 2 years. And for me, even hotel as an industry looks very strong. Indian hotel, lot of domestic theme is there behind. No need to worry about Trump tariff when it comes to hotel industry. So look at Indian hotel and it has already given a breakout above 790. So current market price is a great risk reward trade to go long on Indian hotel. Keep a stop loss of 785. Look at initial target of 850 and then 900 to come. So hotel as a sector, new age as a theme looks very strong to me. And even few other sectors and stocks, if I have to mention, yes, for me, pharma looks very good. Chemicals looks very good as a sector. Select auto, select FMCG also looks very good. So these are sectors where one can pick up good stocks and some of the names I have already given. And yes, this market is a buy on every dip.
All right, buy on dips market is the strategy which has been suggested by Mr. Rudramurthy. Thank you so much for joining at this hour with your views. And